Hi all, Samsung Galaxy smartphone review A34 is the 6GB version and come on memory and 128GB built-in memory. With if availability, you can see the description for this video. Now let's move on to unpacking it. The black color of our smartphone, a thin box, without a side for charging. Looks cool, of course, such a small box. She looks stylish, somehow fashionable, new feel compared to big boxes. These are purely my impressions when I constantly have smartphones on reviews with large boxes. Here small but really looks cool. But there is a big minus, this is a complete set. In the configuration here will go only the phone itself and the envelope, in which a clip for a skin cloth and just such a Type-C cable on Type-C, not even standard USB. You will not be able to use your block that you have familiar USB output. You will need to buy another block or just use a different cord. Something you definitely don't need to buy, because it is unlikely always you will have very few people which have such blocks for charging. Most likely you may have just a regular cord with a USB output to USB. But there will be no block in the configuration and such a lace included. Let's look further. Smartphone. Blacklight, I really like it appearance. We have such matte plastic here, soft touch, looks very cool smartphone, triple camera, the metallic control panel, each of the cameras also looks very cool. The appearance of this smartphone to me like this one the most here are the A31, A32, A33 series. Here is the A34, probably the most successful smartphone. It's really so stylish, looks very comfortable, even so it feels compact enough in hand. Part of the 6-inch display, on the right is power button volume play, of course, will be another series of references in his little thing. A 33 will definitely be in comparison. On top we have a headphone jack, let's open it. Opened. Headphone jack, I say slot for a SIM card, that's how we have it, combo slot. We can use the device for a long time as sock or one sock and microSD card for memory expansion. This is a plus. What we can have this smartphone is not enough cheap, and so with big enough the amount of built-in memory. This memory has been expanded with microSD, past all smartphones now there is. By placing controls on the right side we have buttons gaming, button volume inclusions from below, Type-C port, jack for headphones we don't have it all. Then there is neither above nor below, will use an adapter or wireless headphones. Unlock the screen, in general, that as for appearance, it's basically standard for Samsung. What a cool look smartphones, cool build, and such a branded, special sofa, that is, it stands out from Samsung among other Android smartphones. That is, of course, it goes and overpayment. That is so far the main disadvantage of the smartphone, it's a big cost. 6.6-inch Super AMOLED FHD Plus, 2400 1080 dots. This display, 90 Hz. Let's go to the settings, look at operating system version. From the Pro line we have One UI 5.1. Android 13, Galaxy A34, let's see. Screen, display, brightness, let's make the maximum. Smoothness, our movement is high, even 120 Hz. Next season has 120 Hz, not 90 Hz like I said initially. Here I was wrong, here it is 120 Hz. Standard 60, unfortunately. Then, what I don't like some kind of compromise at 90 Hz, for example, set to and the battery passed less, and more works smoothly. Here you are in just a few smartphones saw that there is such mode, that's basically, without compromise, or maximum, or minimal. Let's go to onto dashboard. By hardware, we have a MediaTek processor Dimensity 1080 or 1080 is processor 6.28 core, which operates at 6.2 and 2.4 Hz, 471,000 by onto benchmark. Multi-touch supports 10QC. In the ranking, in our ranking we are not in the top 100 we get here. A little bit is not enough before hitting the top 100. We close. Okay, let's move on. Some more look here. According to the Samsung system, a 3 forks will settle down. Operational 6 GB. Built-in we have 100 available now. We have 95, 105 in general available. From these 128 and 100, which is not occupied by system. System takes enough. Professor MediaTek 6.2. We have a 4,900 mAh battery. According to declared 5,000 mAh, here shows 4,905, as reported by Android 13.5. Expose. Let's move on to the game test. Run GTA San Andreas. Also, of course, I will make games on this device. Who is interested? You can see it soon. For now, let's run GTA San Andreas on maximum graphics settings. Yes, we launched GTA. Works great. We have a very good game level loudspeakers. Judging by GTA San Andreas, even they are have just been installed high quality, enough surround sound, super close, and let's listen to the volume of the music comparison with X iPhone. Samsung wins this test in volume and quality, 15%, 20 and louder sound speakers on Samsung A34, in principle, good dynamics, the best average. In principle, everything is super on the phone. Let's go on cameras now. Camera, we have a triple camera 48 8.5 megapixels. So we have macro mode, 2x 0.5. Slightly curved turns shooting in this mode. The unit is standard. There are also 4 zingy and 100x zing. That's the max right here. OK portrait, some kind of cheerful mode, is to create mad. Samsung chip, video recording and another mode, about professional multi-frame, but someone's panoramas, macro theme over. Slow and hyperlapse, not time-lapse, but hyperlapse. That's enough functional camera. I will not say wow something unusual, but camera is good, the functionality of the camera is good. Now show examples of teen in normal mode. Output from lower gram. In general, this smartphone is for me like it. It's the only one minus is its cost. That is yes, for some functions it is not as cool as he is cost. That is, to compare with the same Poco smartphones that will be approximately in its cost, even a little cheaper, but better performance, or Realm smartphones that too about the cost of this smartphone, and will be better performance, or some additional parameters, but still great smartphone, a little bit expensive, bad packaging frankly, but still Samsung very good quality look and design unusual, it's unique shell that will be great work on this smartphone. In general, the smartphone is good, but a little pricey and quiet kit. This is his minus. In everything else is a smartphone good, that's a plus. That's all. Thank you watched this video, subscribe to the channel Maximabile, comment, rate likes and wait for new videos. Bye.